Wow, imagine that. Guzman posted another picture of his picture-perfect abs. While he's dieting so hard, while I'm sitting here drinking a Coca-Cola and 36 wings. It's low-fat ranch, though, so I guess I'll be alright.
Hey, man.
What's
Long
up?
time no see. Why are you so sad?
Dude, Guzman has posted another picture of his abdomen. Look at the symmetry on that.
I came up with some of my own personal tips for this perfect time of year.
Let me see. I mean, you're going to have to explain this. I've never heard of it.
Oh, so you're confused.
I'm a little confused. You're going to have to explain these.
No, first off, let's move this up. Oh my god. That's low-fat ranch.
Yeah, you had to start somewhere. I mean, I see
you're already on the right track.
Number 5.
Let's get this out of your hand. Let's replace this with this.
Drink water.
Let's get rid of this. Keep the low-fat ranch. Huh. I'm just gonna see you guys there. So, guys, America's #1 problem is dieting. They think it's so hard. But what I really wanted to do today was bring you an informational video. Oh, I should probably tell you who I am. I am your non-fitness expert, Anthony Halkias. Make sure you go down and subscribe, leave a like. Tip number 1 is drink water. Nightmares. I'm having nightmares. Oh my gosh. I'm dehydrated. Ooh. Ooh. Better. Now guys, the second tip I'm going to tell you is just make sure you're eating regularly, okay? Eating regularly throughout the day, have a scheduled time. Don't just randomly eat because that's going to cause a binge.
Oh, I gotta go. No, you know I'm so virgin, Dad. Come on. No. I'm watching, you know Anthony? Anthony, yeah, I'm watching this video on how to diet. I gotta go eat, alright? Alright. Bye.
Okay guys, the third tip I have for you, make sure you're filling up on fruits and veggies. Those are going to keep you satiated. Yeah, big words. I use them. Subscribe.
Bro, what are you doing? I'm trying to come in here and watch a Chiefs game and you're rubbing these freaking fruits on me?
First off, man, did you not see my video? Okay, fruits are the way. Fill up on fruits and vegetables. That's what I said.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're filling up.
Just get out of it.
Filling up on fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, get out.
Okay, I get it.
I've never been. Tip number 4, make sure you are not banning any foods. When you ban...
Dang, this looks so good. It's my birthday and all I can do is just look at this because I banned all the foods. Oh, wait, Anthony's diet plan said I didn't have to. How do you order this? Can I order cake online?
Guys, tip 5, try to eat more protein while lowering your fats, but not going too low, probably about 50 to 70 is where I'd stay, and playing around with your carbs. Anywhere from 200 to 300 grams, I think, is a healthy amount to stay around. Protein! Lowered my fats, lowered my carbs. Protein for the night. We are partying tonight. Yeah, we are. Oh, yeah, we are. Protein. Subscribe. Okay guys, the last tip, tip number 6, make sure you're not overthinking it. Make sure you're not like this guy. And I thought they said dieting was easy. Fruits, vegetables, that's not a vegetable, what is this? Proteins, fats, carbs, macros, my fitness pal, water. Oh. Wow. I'm overthinking it. What's up guys? If you made it this far, I really just want to say thank you. You're helping my watch time, you're helping my channel grow, and you're wonderful. And you're welcome. The face is here. I'm beautiful. I'm everything that I ever said I would be. I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. It'll be right here. There. I want you to subscribe. You know how to do that. Just subscribe. I want you to leave a thumbs up. For no reason. I just want you to leave a thumbs up because, you know, I'm pumping out daily uploads. And you don't even understand, like, that's not easy. Like, I'm trying to live my life here. Okay? So, you leave a like. Leave a subscribe. Leave a comment, guys. Comment. Interact with me. I'm a nice guy. There's no reason to... You know what? Screw it. I'm done talking to you guys. Just roll the outro. I'm done. Roll the outro. I'm out.
With my thoughts, I am trapped, I am lost. I can't feel, I'm alone. Got the will, yeah. The voices in my head.